From the 24th of the first month of 1437, the 9th through 11th night hours, sunset to sunrise is divided into 12 equal portions, just like sunrise to sunset is divided into 12 equal portions to talk about the day hour. Dream of the color changing rooms, Jack and the 6 serpents. Now, I don't think that's Jack as in the Night Before Christmas Jack, but we'll double check when we see this here, because I don't remember all these experiences that I'm rereading here. I went to sleep as unusual and quickly, I went to sleep as usual and quickly fell into a swarm of colors. The patterns were too complex to describe. I explored this landscape, but remember little till I came to a gray castle on a hill. Its main room was a smoky quartz colored with 8 colored doors. I saw an orange door and wanted it painted green, so I did. I likewise painted a black door yellow, a purple door white, a green door red, a yellow door blue, a white door orange, a red door black, and a blue door purple. And I must refrain from singing the Rolling Stones song, right? 6 dark snakes appeared at the doors, chanting Mahanta Hu, like Ma-Han-Ta Hu, thrice before entering. Each of them bore a sigillum necklace. There was one to exercise Bifrons or Babylon in pink, with green and red flecks. The flecks on the of it were green, were red. I mean, I guess maybe. There was one to renounce Vine or Winnie in pink with gold flecks. There was one to renounce Shax or Abraxas or Abrasax or Abrasac Katiakas in silver with purple flecks. There was one to exercise Sabnock or Saboak in dull white. There was one to renounce Vapar, Separ in a deep green. There's one to banish the likes of Lucifuge, Rafakal, or Furcalor in bright green. The ascending order of the sizes of the serpents by what sign they bore is Saboak, Separ, Abraxas, Vane, Lucifuge, Rafakal, and Babylon. 24 ruby quartz in the same shape as the one in my living room appeared and formed a jack. Like for playing marbles. With 4 syllables chanted out long, but as one word. A formed the vertical, Sh formed the depth bar, M formed the width bar. T was sounded as all 3 groups of 8 had joined together. The serpents were gone, leaving their symbolic necklaces behind. I was told there was still one mystery to try here. I left the jack of 24 Uthark runes behind, as I was wiped over euphorically with rainbow colors, like oil on water in the sun. The jack fell apart and disappeared as I heard the word Tashem. The runes were in green. Utharkum was on the vertical bar, starting with the bottom. Nijai Paz was the at of the through bar, starting with behind. Tebem Lungdo was the at on the horizontal bar, starting on the left. The serpents were in a clockwise order according to the number of their sign, with number 46 directly in front of me. I felt a surge of power and awareness as the jack fell into its pile. I collected the sigil necklaces and donned them, feeling very content before leaving it all behind. I woke with a flowy sort of feeling like swimming. I laid there a couple minutes before rising. Huge